Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review or video demo for the push notifications of our Huafit A1000. And on this video, we will focus on the following applications. So we'll have a demo with, with our Viber here, WhatsApp application, as well as SMS. So if you are interested to see if this new smartwatch from Huafit works with Viber, WhatsApp application, and SMS or text messages, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and have a demo of the following applications. We have the WhatsApp, Viber, and SMS. Let's go first with our Huafit application. Let's activate some of the apps here. As you can see, our SMS is turned off. Let's activate this. Then for the app reminder, let's disable this one. Let's activate WhatsApp application. We'll focus on the following applications. I just disabled the Facebook here, Messenger, and Instagram, so we cannot receive any notifications from the app while we are having our demo. We have WhatsApp here, Viber, and the other one, SMS. We already activated SMS, right? Let's see. Yes, we have the SMS. Okay, so let's start. Hopefully we can receive notifications. Let's go first with the WhatsApp application. Again, the same steps. We'll send a message. Say hello. We'll have demo of the emoji later on. Message sent. Did you receive? Yes, we have it here. Okay, we have the logo here of the application. We have the name of the sender and the message. Again, we'll send a message with the emoji. And we have it here. Okay, we have the message. Again, we don't have a support for emoji. Delete. Next, let's have the call. It's now calling. And call. And we have here a missed call notification. Okay, missed call from Sam. Then let's have the Viber application. Again, it works with the WhatsApp application, both missed call and notification or message notification. Let's have the Viber app. The same setup. We'll send a message. We'll not check anymore the emoji for the Viber. Seems like it's already clear that the smartwatch don't have a support for this app or for the feature emoji. Send a message, hi. Okay, so we did not receive any notification from the Viber app. Let's go again with the app reminder. We have here the Viber application. Okay, it's just a bit late. Let's have another one. Message or the notification is very slow. And we have it here. Again, we have a support for the logo of the app. We have the name of the sender and the message. and with the option to delete. Move. Okay, so we do have a successful demo here. Next, let's have the call. It's now calling. Okay. Decline, and we have here the missed call notification from the Viber application. Okay, so we have the messages and we have the missed call notification. Nice, very good so far for our Huafit Watch A1000 when it comes to basic notification. We do have a support for Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp application, as well as Viber. Next, let's have the SMS or the text messages. This is a text message sent. Hopefully it works here with SMS, and we have it here. And if you notice, we do have a different icon for SMS. We have the name of the sender, even the number, we have it here, and we also have the message. This is a text. Delete. Okay, so that's it for our demo for the smart notification of our Huafit Watch A1000. Again, it works with the Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp application, as well as Viber and SMS. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.